Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. That's right, just like the title says, we're going to put two batteries here in Mickey's Dream, which is the 1986 Sea Ray Monaco 197. Let's look at the parts and tools. Stick around. Here we go. We got our two batteries here. We have our 24 ms Marine Start. It is a 1000 MCA, so well enough power of cranking amps to get this bad boy started. And then we have a 27 DC cycle, which is 750 MCAs. We have 3 wires, our cables here. You can go ahead and put 2 red for 2 positives, but we're going to do 2 positives and a ground. We have some terminal protection. We have the Perko 4-position switch and some battery boxes. Here's a couple tools you're going to need. Let's go ahead and look down in here in my battery bay and see how we're going to get this bad boy all diagrammed up. Okay, so here's the Perko 4-position switch, and I flipped it over to the back to kind of show you how we get this all wired up. So you're going to have battery 1, battery 2, and common. This is what you're going to have to come in from your actual engine starter. That'll come up to there, and depending on which battery you want for what. So my battery 1 is going to go over here to my starting battery. That is my 24 Marine Start battery. Position 2, when that gets selected, will then run over to my 27 DC 750 amp battery to run the accessories. You can go ahead and do this in any format you want. Just remember what battery you're making the other end of the connection to and what that battery is for. Lastly, to make this whole circuit connected is you're going to have your ground from your motor, and then you're going to have this third cable, which is going to go from here, negative, to this negative, and we'll complete an entire circuit. And then when we put our switch down in here, like this, you'll take each lead, each one of these ends, battery 1, positive will go to battery 1, and then battery 2 will go to positive battery 2. And that's pretty much it. Here's a quick diagram to show you further. All right guys, so we got it completely wired up. It's all finished here. And again, I'll go ahead and put the picture of the diagram at the back end of this card here. As you see on the switch, I have it on battery 1, which is my Marine starting battery here. It's the 1000 MCA, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate that we got power and go ahead and get it started up. All right, so we're good on that one. So now I'm going to switch it back over to 2 and show you here, and I'll also use my multimeter and give some tests. So now we're on battery 2, which is this one. We'll pretend like, you know, the battery died or whatever. It'll still go ahead and start your boat and run all of your accessories like your fish finder, your radio, and trolling motor if you have that. So she's all started up. Let's go ahead and give it a test. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this battery here. Put this on the negative. And got some help. And here too. Current reading is 16.36. Definitely well over 12.6. That's great. We'll go ahead and kill it, and I'll switch it over to battery 1 and do a multimeter reading. All right, we're gonna start it back on number 1. I'm gonna get a quick meter read here. Both are connected. We're on number 1 and 15.4. Sorry about the belt noise. Just had it washed or took it out on the water. So we're good, guys. All right, YouTube, that's it. This is pretty much how you go ahead and wire 2 batteries to a 4-position switch. Hope this makes sense and hope it helps you out. Definitely look at those diagrams. If you want to add more batteries, if you have more engines, you can also do so. I will definitely leave the links down in the description of the tools and all the parts to this particular build. That we can get your boat, make sure you're on the water and you're not stranded, or you have extra accessories. So like always, guys, give a thumbs up, drop the comments, check my homepage, go check out my home store. The link's there. It'll take you right over there to it. And until next time, God bless.